Hello, what's up everybody? This is B-Boy Tech back with another video. So we are on Income Wheel Form, which is a get paid to post app. Not app, sorry, website. So you get points or tokens by posting. If we actually go over here, we're going to open this up in another tab. We're going to give this a minute to load. This is how many points I have. 1,000 tokens equals $1. If you go over to transfer, and it adds an information tab, which you can learn how you get more points. So right here, you earn tokens per attachment and new posts. You also earn 50 tokens for signing up. You also earn 50 another tokens for downloading this grammar checker. You don't even have to create an account on there, you just earn it. It says I currently have a 3% chance to get a bonus increments of 5 to 10. So this is kind of like Beer Money Form. Post per form topic is another 20 tokens. Post per form post is 10. You do not earn anything for these ones currently, they say. So they might be adding these ones in, but we will make updates and stuff. I'm also planning on making an update once I get to the cash out, which is supposedly 1,000 tokens. So right here, I have one of my previous videos up over here. Once this loads. Oh. So right here is one of my videos that we're gonna take this video and post it on here. So we're gonna go down to they talk about making money rewarding apps. Wait for this to load. New topic. You guys can also comment on here and join. Let's make money together. That's what this whole website is about. That's what my YouTube channel is about. Making making money together. I can speak today. So we're gonna copy this in there. So there we go. There's that. Now, what I'm gonna do is because I'm feeling a little lazy, we're gonna take the information from here. We're gonna post it here. We're also gonna go back to here, and there should be a information on. Did I post my? I did not post my referral. Okay. Let's grab my referral. Let's see if I can't see it in here. Let's wait for that to load. There we go. Let's grab that code, E0P. WN So we'll put that in there. Put my referral code is we're gonna create a link here. We're gonna say click here to see the YouTube video. And what we're going to put is here is a video that I made to show that they pay get paid to scan receipts. Now, nice thing about this grammar thing is you can just go boom, boom, receipts, get paid to scan receipts app. So there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and submit it. We have 273 points. Once I submit it, we have a total of 293. So hope you guys liked what you've seen here. There will be more videos covering income wheel farm in the future farm form in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and peace out.